Lead code problem number 746, mean cost climbing stairs. So this problem gives us an integer array cost, where cost I is the cost of the I step on a staircase. So we have to pay the cost if we want to climb. So after we pay the cost, we can either climb 1 or 2 steps. And we can also either start from index 0 or index 1. And the goal is to return the minimum cost to reach the top of the floor. So this is another problem similar to question number 70, the original climbing stairs, where we have to start from the back again, right? So what I did here was I iterate through the costs from the back, and when doing so, I calculate the minimum cost it would take from taking either 1 or 2 steps. Let me show you what I mean. So let's say the cost is like so. Alright, so now I is equals to cost size minus 3. So I'm starting over here, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 7. So I'm starting at this index, iterating through from this downwards, right? So immediately, cost I, which is this number, I will have to plus the minimum of cost I plus 1, which is this, or this, right? So the minimum of these two steps is 1, so here it will become 2. Then I will decrement one more time, 6. Now I'm looking at this step, and we're comparing the cost of these two again, which of course this is the lower one, so here we increment one more time, 3, decrement I. So now we're looking at over here, 5, and we're comparing these two costs. So for this step, the lowest cost would be step when you take 2 steps, which is 2. So here I'll plus 2. And over here again, the minimum value of these two numbers is 3. So we plus 3. Again, this one minimum number is 4 plus 4. Minimum number is 4 again. So here we plus 4. Minimum number for this is 5. No choice there. And for the first ever step, we look at the minimum number, and in this case it will be 5. Here will be 6. So you can see here the total cost. Once we are done not rearranging, but adding up the cost of the step for the most important, these two steps, since we can either start from index 0 or index 1. So these two steps would technically have the total of the, not total, but the minimum cost it would take to reach to the top. And if you take a look at these two indexes, obviously the first index would give us the lowest cost, which is the answer, output 6. Okay, that is it, right? It's pretty straightforward, not much to explain here. Once you get the trick, it's quite straightforward and easy to implement. By the way, that's all I have to show. Thanks.